Welcome to Dragon Classroom. I'm Dragon. We are going to learn a lot of Chinese idioms in this lesson as we listen to the conversation between a mother and a child. Let us find out what the mother and the child were talking about. Mom said to the boy, "Sweetie, go do your homework. Don't 拖泥带水. You have school tomorrow." 拖泥带水 means to drag your feet, to be slow or reluctant to do something. The child replied, "Mom, I'm 心不在焉 right now and not in the mood for homework. Can I rest for 5 more minutes?" The idiom 心不在焉 means distracted. Mom replied to the boy, "You always 得寸进尺. You say 5 minutes, but it ends up being half an hour. Stop dawdling and go do your homework." 得寸进尺 means to push your luck. The boy had more to say, "But the homework is too hard. I'm 一筹莫展 and don't even know where to start." 一筹莫展 means at my wit's end. The boy didn't know how to do his homework. Mom replied, "You are always 眼高手低, wanting to finish everything at once, but not even picking up your pen." 眼高手低 means aiming high but achieving little. Mom continued, "Just 按部就班 and take it one at a time. It will be fine." 按部就班 means follow the steps. The child replied, "But the homework feels like 千头万绪, and I can't make sense of it. Mom, can you help me?" 千头万绪 means a tangled mess. The boy was trying to find more excuses. Mother replied, "Help you? Last time I helped, I 画蛇添足 and made things even more confusing for you." 画蛇添足 means overdoing something. Mom continued, "This time you need to 自力更生." 自力更生 means to stand on your own 2 feet. You are on your own. The boy was sad. He said to the mother, "Mom, you are 见死不救. I am your own flesh and blood." 见死不救 means leaving someone in the lurch. The boy kept giving excuses. The mother said, "You little 油嘴滑舌. Homework isn't some kind of monster. It's not that scary. Go finish it, and I'll reward you with ice cream. 油嘴滑舌 means a smooth talker. Somebody who can use words to persuade people to get what he wants. Knowing that the reward would be ice cream, the boy was happy, and he said to his mother, "Really? Then I will 一鼓作气 and finish it right away." 一鼓作气 means to give it my all. I will try my best and finish it quickly. The mother was happy to hear that, and she said, "That's more like it, but don't 虎头蛇尾, writing half of it and then running off to watch TV." 虎头蛇尾 means to start strong and finish weak. The boy replied, "Don't worry, Mom. This time I will 全力以赴 and do it 一丝不苟." 全力以赴 means to go all out. 一丝不苟 means meticulously, very carefully. Mother replied, "Good, I'll be 拭目以待. But if you 半途而废, no ice cream for you." 拭目以待 means waiting to see the results. 半途而废 means to give up halfway. The boy thought his mother was in a good mood, so he said, "Mom, if I finish my homework, can I play games for a bit?" Mom replied, "You are always 得陇望蜀. Let's talk about it after you finish your homework." 得陇望蜀 means being greedy. The boy said, "Mom, you are always 铁面无私. No room for negotiation at all." 铁面无私 means strict and impartial. Mother replied, "That's called 严于律己. Do you understand?" 严于律己 means being strict with yourself. The boy had no choice. He said, "All right, I will 专心致志 on my homework and try to 一鸣惊人." 专心致志 means to focus wholeheartedly. 一鸣惊人 means to make a big splash, to amaze everyone. Mom was very happy to hear that. She said, "That's my little genius. Go for it. I know you will 大功告成." 大功告成 means to achieve great success. Do you like this lesson? Can you tell that it is so easy to use Chinese idioms in our daily conversations? You can subscribe and join me for more Chinese idioms. Thank you. Goodbye.